Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about how to fix an Android Auto not working. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. I recently needed to drive a long distance. Android Auto worked fine a few days ago, but today when I tried to use it again, it stopped working. I plugged my phone into the charger, and the phone vibrated and charged as usual, but Android Auto wasn't working. Is there any way to fix the phone saying, Android Auto is connected but not working? We understand you might be facing the same problems. If Android Auto stops working when plugged in, don't panic. To help, we'll explain why and how to fix it. Cause 1. USB cable issue. The solution is to check your USB cable. If you're using a USB cable to connect your phone to your car, it might be the culprit behind Android Auto not working. USB cables wear down over time, and even a small scratch can cause Android Auto to stop connecting. Try using a different USB cable to test. Cause 2. Cache redundancy. The solution is to clear the cache. Insufficient storage space on your Android phone can cause lag and malfunctions. Android Auto not working is one such issue. If you haven't cleared the cache for a long time, this can easily lead to problems. To troubleshoot this, check and clear your storage space. Open your phone's settings, find and tap Storage, and check if the remaining space is below 15%. If the percentage is below 15%, free up storage space, delete unnecessary files, or upload some files to the cloud. Afterward, restart your Android device and try reconnecting again to see if it's working properly. Cause 3. Temporary glitch. The solution is to restart your Android phone. If your Android phone has been running for a long time, it may have developed a temporary glitch. This temporary glitch may also affect Android Auto's connection. In this case, you can simply restart your phone to fix Android Auto not working. Please try restarting your Android device with me. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off your Android phone, wait about 1 minute, and then turn it back on. If it's a temporary glitch, restarting your phone helps fix Android Auto issues. Cause 4. Incompatible permissions and settings. The solution is to change permissions and settings. Android Auto not working may be due to permissions and settings issues. Android Auto requires permissions such as location, Bluetooth, and contact information. And the USB connection needs to be in file transfer or MTP mode. If it's only in charging mode, Android Auto will not work. Therefore, please carefully check Android Auto's permissions and USB settings to ensure they are correct. Cause 5. Poor Bluetooth or network. The solution is to check Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If you are using a wireless connection, Android Auto relies on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If Bluetooth pairing fails or the Wi-Fi signal is weak, this will also cause Android Auto to not work. Therefore, you need to check if Bluetooth pairing is successful and if the network is working properly. Otherwise, wireless Android Auto won't work. Cause 6. Problem with Android Auto itself. The solution is to uninstall and reinstall. If Android Auto still doesn't work, it may be a problem with Android Auto itself. Another solution is to uninstall Android Auto, restart your phone, and then reinstall Android Auto. This should resolve issues with Android Auto. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix an Android Auto not functioning correctly properly, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.